Where to find the best sites. Credit cards. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about what happens if my car is totaled and I have a title loan. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about what happens if my car is totaled and I have a title loan is fitzvilafuerte.com. Specifically the page titled What Happens If I Don't Pay My Credit Card Debts. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site blog.readyforzero.com, especially the page What Happens If You Don't Pay Your Car Payment. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.totalbankruptcy.com. The web page Cars in Bankruptcy, What Happens to My Car If I File. This is the link.